So if you want to create content and you don't know the type of content you want to create, just watch this video. After the end of this video, you must surely find a content that you'll be creating. Yeah. So our today's topic is niche in YouTube. What is niche? Niche is like a section. Niche is like an area, an environment that you'll be covering. So examples of niche, we have football niche, where you can talk about football. We have the cooking niche, where you can talk about food. We have the fashion niche. So niche is the area you are going to specialize on. You understand? Just if you are going to school, what department are you going into? Is it art or science? Is it medicine or law? So those are examples of niche. So for you to be a content creator, remember I said the aim of you being a content creator is to solve problem in video format. So people have problem. Hmm? There are a lot of people in the world. So there are a lot of problem in the world. You need a niche to solve problem. And this niche can be educational niche or entertainment niche. You understand? So it's either you are in the education niche or the entertainment niche. So examples and type of content you can be creating under the education niche are like teaching. Education is teaching people. Do this, do that, don't do this, don't do that. Like now I'm teaching you the niche you can get in YouTube. So I'm doing education niche. You understand? So the contents you can do under education, examples are book. Students are finding it difficult to understand chemistry, biology, physics, mathematics. People want to do assignments. They are finding it difficult. You can open a channel that provides the solution of chemistry, physics, and biology. You understand? So with that being said, you can just open a channel teaching them chemistry, physics, biology, geography. Anything you are comfortable with teaching, you can teach them book. Second one, food. A lot of people are out there. They want to learn new recipe. And you have found a new recipe. Or you know how to make tea. You know how to cook food. You know how to cook rice. You know how to cook pasta. You know how to make jollof. You know how to make soup. You know how to make intercontinental dishes. A lot of people want to learn how to make new recipe. How to cook. So you open a channel creating a solution to the food problem. You open a channel that provides a solution for the food problem. You understand? Next one is language. A lot of people want to learn English. A lot of people want to learn Chinese. A lot of people want to learn Indian. People are traveling every day. So, for example, I'm going to Chinese or I'm going to French and I don't know how to speak French. I can look for a creator that will solve my problem. So, I'll go and look for a creator. I'll go and look for a creator that teaches language. French language to be precise. So, if you know how to speak French, you can open a channel solving the problem of language. Solving a problem of language. Other people want to learn Spanish. And you know how to speak Spanish. You can open a channel creating a solution for this language problem. People want to learn how to make money. Just like in my last video, I taught you how to make money on YouTube. So people want to learn how to make money. If you know how to make money and if you have made money before, you have gone into business or you have ideas on how to make money, you can share your idea. Millions of people are looking for a way to make money. So if you know you are a money expert, business expert, you can create a solution by opening the channel that will teach them how to make money. So by so doing, you solve the money problem. Fashion. People are going for events. People are going for shoots. People are shooting movies. People are styling themselves. So many people don't know how to do this fashion of a thing. They don't know how to dress. They don't know how to do makeup. You can open a channel to solve this fashion problem. You can teach people how to style the dress, how to do makeup, how to do a lot of fashionable things. So that's some few examples on education. You understand now? It's just basically teaching people food, book, anything you know how to teach people. Just teach them. They will definitely learn from you. And the second part is entertainment. If you don't know how to do any of this, if you don't know how to teach, because not everybody knows how to teach. So if you don't know how to teach, you can go into entertainment. If you are funny, if you can tell stories, if you can make people feel relaxed, if you can make people watch your video, like if you can make people listen to you, then go to entertainment. You can vlog. You can tell them this is how my day went. I went for shopping. Follow me as I go for shopping. And your videos are interesting. They will definitely watch it. And you have solved boredom. Movies. People watch movies every day. If you know how to make movies, if you know how to tell story in movie format, you can do it. People will watch it and you make money from it. You can go into the skit niche. People want to laugh. A lot of people are depressed. They are looking for videos that will make them laugh. They are looking for videos that will make them laugh. Dancing and singing. A lot of people want to learn how to dance. A lot of people want to watch dancing videos. Like Michael Jackson, Travis Scott, Chris Brown. People love people that dance and people that sing. So if you can sing, you can entertain them by singing or dancing for them. Travel. You can travel to a different country like Mr. Beast. Like people that do adventure. You travel to different countries. You tell them this is what I met. This is how I spent my day in China. This is the things you see in China. This is the things you see in French. This is the things you see in Spain. This is the things you see in Mexico. So when you travel, you give them a video telling them this is what you have been doing. You entertain them with your traveling videos. Then game. You have a lot of games. You can do gaming, football game, basketball game, puzzles, Call of Duty. There are a lot of games people want to watch. You understand? So, with this video, I know and I believe, after watching this video, you could have found a niche for yourself. That's like the educational niche and the entertainment niche. You can combine the two. You can be teaching how to play game and still entertain them with your game. You can still be teaching people how to make skits and still shoot your skits. So you can join the two together. You understand? So that's it. If you want to go into content creation, just venture into any of this. In no distance time, you make money. Thank you. I love you all.